XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for one more drop. That's why we mentioned we can look for this flat. And exactly this is exactly what we get. That's why if anyone get the sell from here, the only way is to look for sell having entry below this based on 1 hour chart. And whoever get the trade, the best things is they move, they take out the trade. Okay, because even if we move to 15 minutes, there was no trade set up to look for sell unless we get the entry below this correction. Anyway, whoever get the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even. And for us, we mentioned we're looking for one more drop because we mentioned we're looking for this flat. That's why we mentioned if he wants to look for buy, let this one give us one more drop, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. Okay. Anyway, as we can see the price drop because we mentioned we can look for this flat, and still even we can expect this one to drop some more, but what we want to look for reversal, any reversal, either the price reverse from here or even this was drop some more, any reversal we will take it. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for the reversal with the sharp move flag. That's mean we're looking for buy. If we get any buy setup, we will take it, and with the breakout of this top we start to manage. And right now, as we mentioned, right now we have this flat, we're looking for reversal, but since we get this sharp move, we can expect this one turn to the correction for one more drop. But do we need to look for sell or not? Because right now, even if he wants to look for sell, we is selling at the lowest price of this correction. Okay, and even if he wants to look for sell, let this one drop a bit more, the reverse a bit more, because even if he wants to look for sell, how we can sell it? We don't have any sell setup. Even if we move to 15 minutes, the way it's moving doesn't show a sell setup. Mostly we can see low reversal. That's why right now we are not really keen to look for sell. We want to look for reversal for buy. But right now we don't have any trade setup for buy. Okay, that's why we mentioned we can expect this one turn to deeper correction, even retest the previous low. But if we get any buy, this is what we're looking for. Okay, having entry above this can be an option, but we prefer to look for the reversal. All right, and if we move to daily chart, this is the reasons. That's why we mentioned we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time. As we can see, the price drop. There is no more changes, and even if you move to forward chart, and what I want to see is that if we get any reversal for buy, this is what we are more interested in terms of the risk and reward. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop more. Even the price can drop and break zero point 0.4 and even retest the previous low. But mostly in terms of the risk and reward, we will prefer to look for this one because at that time we can look for flat. Okay, even if the price wants to drop, we don't have any trade set up to look for continuation. Okay, and again, if you move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. The only times we can look for sell as a short term if this one correct similar to any of this. But any sell we can look for short term sell. That's why we don't include in our analysis. The only things we're looking for in this analysis if we get the buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any reversal or any trade setup, I will share. And the only thing is we don't have any trade setup, and as I mentioned, if we get we're looking for buy. If we get the trade setup for buy, this is what we are looking for. Again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.